Hello, Assalamualaikum bachcho. As you all know that the books are under the process of change because of SNC implementation. So we shall do work from these books until we are provided the new books. SNC की वजह से किताबें चेंज हो रही हैं. जब तक नई किताबें आती हैं हम इन्हीं से काम करेंगे. आप लोगों ने मेहनत से और तवज्जो से काम करना है और दुरुस्त अंदाज में काम करना है. अगर कोई गलती है तो बुक कंसल्ट कर लेनी है, टीचर से कंसल्ट कर लेना है. SST Day 5. Why do we believe that the people of the Indus did not fight any wars? Because no weapon or sign of weapon or use of it is found in the remains of Indus Valley society of that time. As Science Class 6, Day 5, define the following: cell, tissues, organs, organ system. Cell is the smallest living thing with which all living beings are made. Cell can feel, reproduce and respond to the surrounding. इससे आगे cell collection is called tissues, and tissues make organ, and organ makes organ system. Class 6, English. When Aunt Mabel saw the frog in the pot, how did she react? Do you think she was just being silly? She screamed loudly to make everyone run to her. We can't say it's silly, as some people have such fright with insects. इसके बाद Day 6, SST. What two questions about this civilization remain unanswered to date? Where that civilization had gone, why that civilization had not revived to next civilization. Science Class 6. Describe how the transport of material takes place in plants. The transport of material in plants takes place by a system of tube. It is called vascular system. English Class 6, Day 6. Pick out 3 sentences from the story that you think are funny. I would be safe in zoo as my brother is superintendent is funny one. How man can be in a zoo? Day 7, Class 6. What you know about the Aryans? They entered from the mountains near Russia. They followed their own ways of life. They had not concept of agriculture. They had strong religion. Day 7, Science Class 6. What is transpiration? Why transpiration important for a plant? Transpiration is movement of material from roots to shoots and then top to the plant. Base of all material and water to flow from roots to the top, and every part of plant is called transpiration. SST Day 7, English Class 6. Do you think Aunt Mabel is an odd person? Think of 5 words to describe her. No, she was not odd. Anyway, the people with this age react the same. There is nothing odd, I think. Day 8, SST Class 6. How do you know about Aryans? There are no signs of their civilization left from which we can know about them. It is only the religious literature, Vedas, that tell us about them. Science Class 6, Day 8. What is respiration? Name the parts of human respiratory system. Respiration is a process of breathe in and breathe out the gases in nature to get energy from food. The parts of human respiratory system are nose and lungs. Day 8. English class 6. In paragraph 1, the writer says, I am sorry that I ever paid any attention to the footsteps. Why does the writer say so? Give two reasons from the paragraph. He says so because it was all first because of his paying attention to footsteps. If he had not paid attention and told others, such all would not happen. Hello, Assalamu alaikum bachcho. As you all know that the books are under the process of change because of SNC implementation. So we shall do work from these books until we are provided the new books. SNC की वजह से किताबें चेंज हो रही हैं. जब तक नई किताबें आती हैं हम इन्हीं से काम करेंगे. आप लोगों ने मेहनत से और तवज्जो से काम करना है और दुरुस्त अंदाज में काम करना है. अगर कोई गलती है तो बुक कंसल्ट कर लेनी है, टीचर से कंसल्ट कर लेना है. SST Day 5. Why do we believe that the people of the Indus did not fight any wars? Because no weapon or sign of weapon or use of it is found in the remains of Indus Valley society of that time. As Science Class 6, Day 5, define the following: cell, tissues, organs, organ system. Cell is the